and welcome to our baking video, and we can't wait to make carrot cake. Yeah. It's yummy. Now, first you really need this like cake batter, and all of this is from this. Yeah. Oh, and you do need some frosting too. Yeah, and this is the frosting. Try and get a better look at it. Good? Okay. Now, got that. Mix it a little. We have to do a big one. A big little scoop. And then you get it carefully. 1 cup of water and oil and some eggs. I can't show it to you, but it's see-through, so that's why it's good. Oh, and so is this. Yeah. And first you put in the water. Oh, and 1 cup of water. If I didn't say that. If you didn't hear that, that's why. Yep. And then we mix it up. Mix it up. Get all of it there. Mix it up for a little. And then we put the oil very carefully. I might look kind of like this. Trying to not spill it. Oh no, I might not. Well, I can't, but let's just get on the eggs. Now, pour the eggs very carefully because you don't want to spill it. Put in the eggs. Okay, we got that. Oh no. Then we mix it up. And I'll see you in a second. Let's do it. Oh, today, guess who it is? My cousin's birthday, and she's turning 9. Yay! And her name is Miranda. Yeah, pretty far away, but she invited her other cousins from her dad's side. Yeah. Oh, and thank you, Mr. Cole, for giving us some carrot cake. Woo, yummy! Yeah, so that's why we're just making the cake for birthday cake. Yeah. Okay. You got this, and you gotta spray it with some baking spray so it doesn't stick when you, it doesn't stick so hard, so hard how to get it out, and it kind of breaks. And then you know what they always say: you can cut it, but you need to put it apart. I just made that up. Well, let's get back to the important stuff. Now, you still need this to put this in. I do it this kind of way so it doesn't spill. That's what I do. And after, I lick. Yeah, it's kind of handy. Oh no, just have to scoot this out of the way. Now, then we pour this in here. And you might still want to use that tool. Like that. So, like, scoop it in, yeah. That thing. Yeah. If you still haven't, knead it again. Okay. Got that. That's good. Okay. That. Yummy. Good. You might want this. You might have to get all the excess down. Okay. Got that. Might have to spread it. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Don't try to get it stuck in the top, because then try to break it. You know my new rule about that. You want that. You want, oh no! I got, oh no! Keep on going. Okay, that's good. Yep, it's good. And then, okay, we got it on. Now you need to wait for 10 minutes. And then I'll come back. Welcome back. It was a little while for us, and we got it all done. So we got it out, and then we got it out of this, and then we, with this knife, even though it's new, a different kind of knife, like a plastic one, just different. Then we swapped it out and then put it in here. Yeah. And then we got a new one because we wanted to clean things. Yeah. And we got our frosting. Yay! Yeah. It's frosting. Now it's time to frost. Okay. Got a lot if you are very good eater. Just get a lot and spread it on there. Just get it on there. If you love a good cake. Got it out. Just have to get some more because I like a lot of frosting. Okay, then we spread it. It would be better if you have one of those baking bags. And router might look like, let me wait for a second. It might look like this. Yeah, okay, because I don't want to fall them out. Then you might want to get in line, make a few squares. Got that. It's stuck. Then you might want to keep on making squares where there's not squares. Yeah, might want to have that. Keep it in mind because you don't want to get all messy. Okay, just have to cut a few more. Cut a few, but that's enough for today. Then, time for the taste test. One more. One more. Research. Good! Very good. So you better make this. Oh, and send it to us. I want to see it. Yeah. And bye.